What color will the water in my swimming pool actually look like once it's filled? This is one of the most common questions pool owners ask. The answer isn't the surface color itself, but how light, depth, and surface tone interact with the water. Here's what really happens, color by color. With a white pool interior, the water does not look white. White reflects the most light, amplifying blue wavelengths in the water. The result is light blue to aqua water, often bright and sparkly in full sun, with depth creating stronger blue tones. Mid or royal blue interiors closely match how water naturally appears. This produces a consistent, medium blue color across most of the pool, with minimal visible depth change. Baby blue behaves similarly to white, but with slightly more color stability. The water appears light blue to soft aqua, remaining clean and bright as depth increases. Black interiors absorb most incoming light instead of reflecting it. This creates darker, more even watercolor with little depth variation. Depending on sky and surroundings, water may appear deep blue, charcoal, or green teal. Medium gray interiors reflect more light than black while staying neutral. This allows blue and green tones to appear stronger, producing darker aqua or turquoise water that remains evenly distributed. Beige or sand-colored interiors are warm and reflective. They often create aqua to turquoise water with a green-blue shift, and depth plays a bigger role in color variation. Pacific blue sits between light and mid-blue. Because it closely aligns with water's natural color, the water stays even and clean blue with a soft aqua undertone. Sky blue behaves very similarly, maintaining a consistent blue appearance with only subtle changes from lighting and depth. Light gray behaves much like white, but with less glare. This produces a similar blue aqua color, often with greater depth and intensity. Gold or brown interiors are warm and reflective. They shift watercolor toward green aqua and turquoise tones, with noticeable depth variation in sunlight. Remember, pool watercolor is created by light, depth, and environment, not just the surface color. These examples show typical results, but every swimming pool is unique.